In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pay contractors in Gusto. Once you are signed in and ready to run contractor payments, start by looking at the left sidebar, click Payroll, and then select Pay Contractors. This takes you to the contractor payment flow, where you can choose who you are paying and how much you are paying them for the pay period. Next, select the contractors you want to pay. Take a moment here to double-check that you are choosing the correct people, especially if you have multiple contractors with similar names or roles. Paying the right contractor from the start helps prevent payment reversals and extra adjustments later. After you have selected your contractors, enter their pay details. If a contractor is set up as hourly, you will enter the work hours for that payment. Make sure you are using the correct number of hours for the time period you are paying, and confirm that it matches your time tracking or approved invoices. If the contractor is fixed rate, you will enter the amount instead. In that case, it helps to match the amount to the agreed project fee or the invoice total, so your records stay clean. If you need to include additional items, you can add them at this point. Use Add a Reimbursement when you are paying back a contractor for approved expenses, like supplies or travel, according to your company policy. Use Add a Bonus if you are providing extra compensation beyond the standard amount. As you add these items, be precise with the amounts so your totals are accurate. When everything looks correct, click Save and Continue. This moves you to the review screen, where you will confirm the final payment details before submitting. On the review page, carefully check the payment date and the total debit amount. The payment date is important because it determines when funds will be withdrawn and when contractors can expect to receive payment. The total debit amount is the full amount that will be taken from your account, so confirm it matches what you intended to pay, including any reimbursements or bonuses. Once you have reviewed those details and everything is correct, you are ready to proceed with confidence. That covers everything you need to know.